good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Thought I'd take a cruise down by the river over here today. You guys can see. You can always tell when spring is coming here because they put the docks out there in the river, and as you can see, that's been done. So indeed, spring must be really here, I guess. Anyway, I want to take a look at the Tundra out here. Get out in some natural light where we can actually see. It is dirty, of course, because I do use the truck. And specifically, I wanted to look at the new grill that I put on. I've put some pictures up, and people have commented about it looking like it's a different color. And I do believe it probably is a shade off. We'll let you guys decide on that. Get some different angles here. You can take a look. See what you think. It's not off far enough that it's a problem for me. If it was blaringly different, I suppose I'd do something about it, but I don't think it's really too bad myself if it is off at all. Keep in mind the light's going to hit it from different angles because it's different angles on the front of the truck. Also wanted to just go over some of the mods that I've done. A couple people have asked, you know, what do I really like on it? Of the mods that I have done, if I could only do a couple, what would I do? The first, since we're here at the front, is the grill that you can see on the front. I do much prefer this over all of the chrome that was on there before, as well as the, get my shadow out of the picture, as well as the bumper guards on the front. That also deleted the chrome. And then the mirror covers. These, of course, were like a mirror finished chrome before. You could stand in that and shave or do your hair, you know. Those are probably the top 3 mods that I would do if that's all that I could do, because I think it just greatly improves the appearance of the truck. Of course, the window tint, I'd have to find some extra cash to do that, I guess. So that would be, what, 4 mods, I guess, that I would have to do. Now, some of the others that I have done that, of course, you wouldn't have to do. It's not that big of a deal, but it does make an improvement in the truck. The exhaust. I've put the TRD dual exhaust on the truck. I think it gives it a nice throaty but not overbearing sound, and something that I think the truck really needs. We'll take another shot at the tips back here. People have mentioned, and it's true, that they are not even. You can see this side is a little closer or a little further up under the truck than this side. That's because they reused the hangers that were on the truck, and I'm going to take it in when I have a chance, or maybe do it myself. I don't know, it can't be that difficult, and have those hangers replaced on the passenger side so that the exhaust is even. It's just one of those little nitpicky things, in my opinion, but nonetheless something that we need to take care of. Let's step inside here. I'm going to pop the hood, give you guys a better shot of the cold air intake that was done. Might have to move you guys down here a little bit. There, that's good. Nice to have struts on your hood. Most vehicles these days don't. Hopefully all trucks do. But there's the cold air intake. Again, not another mod that you really have to do, but it does make a difference a bit in the sound on the truck. I do like it. For me, it's probably more of an aesthetic thing under the hood. I am going to paint or change the engine cover here, because I just think it would make it look nicer, you know, in the engine bay. So we will be doing something with that. I do like how this is all red underneath here. It's pretty cool, I think. Wasn't really aware that that was going to be done in that color, I guess. I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't really think about it. So there's the engine bay. Again, another mod that you absolutely have to do, but one that looks good, I think. and might give you a little bit more performance in the truck. Of course, I have debadged the truck, all except for the iForce 5.7 liter V8 badging. I do like that. I would like to black it out. You can buy that badge in black. Of course, then you have to take the old one off and put the new one on. Not that big of a deal, I suppose. I could mark it, do it that way. You wouldn't necessarily have to remove all of the adhesive underneath as long as it's fairly flat, so you don't have to go the whole 9 yards to do that. But something that I think I would like to change out. As far as any other mods on the truck, there is one more, at least off the top of my head, that I'm going to do, and that's line Xing or coating the side steps to get rid of the chromish looking, or silver, it's not chrome, I'll call it silver, look that they have. I think it would just once again help improve the look of the truck, give me that kind of cement and black look that I'm going for. One other thing, I'll ask you guys your opinion. I've seen a couple guys who have done the mirrors and the handles. Of course, I changed the handles out too, they were chrome. But they've changed those on this particular color, cement, to black. Now, I don't know if necessarily you have to change the mirror covers to black, because you do have the black accent underneath, that if you change the handles to black, would kind of flow quite nicely, I think, along the lines of the truck. I mean, keep in mind, I will have the black steps down here when I'm done. This would remain. And then it flows onto the back to the top of the bed, cap here, I guess, that is black. So it would flow quite nicely if they were black, I think. I don't know if it's that big a deal. I'd be curious to hear what you guys think. What if the door handles were black? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Would that look better? Anyway, I just wanted to stop by here. Like I said, I'm out driving around, go over some of the mods. I do have one more thing to mention. We're going to step in the truck here, and then I'll talk about that for a minute, because it's cold out here. Okay, we're back in the truck. It's freezing outside. It's 28 degrees with a breeze, and that's a little cold. So I'm going to show you the next, or one more thing I wanted to show you here. Let me turn this around. Check that out. 15 miles per gallon. That's an increase over where I was before. It's not a huge increase, 0.1 to be exact, but nonetheless, I have been stuck at 14.9 miles per gallon pretty much since the day the truck and I pulled off the lot. So there has been an improvement. There's only two things that have changed. One is I had a low tire pressure in my driver's side rear tire, so I put some air in the tire. I don't think that's it. And two, the cold air intake and the TRD dual exhaust. Those are the two things that have changed. Is it the exhaust? Is it just coincidence? Did I drive a little more freeway one day? I don't know, but it's an improvement. Hopefully it continues. I realize it's only 0.1, but it's going the right way. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.